natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, approaching to positive territory. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge, and we're slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. We have yet to touch the 200 moving average, this green line acting as our temporary support at around a price of $2.83. As with the daily chart, we still remain in pause MACD, but we did see it diverge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $10.12. My sell target is at $10.63. And my stop loss is at $9.95. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.80, and that is this range here where we had a gap down between May 18th to May 19th. My sell target for it is at $10.29, and my stop loss is at $10.98. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 50% chance to climb between 3.3% to 6.6%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.